Mercedes-Benz CL63 repair quotes. Mercedes-Benz, commonly referred to as just Mercedes, is a German luxury automotive marque. Mercedes-Benz and subsidiary Mercedes-Benz AG are headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. Mercedes-Benz produces consumer luxury vehicles and commercial vehicles. The Mercedes-Benz CL63 and CL65 AMG are high-performance luxury coupes that were produced by Mercedes-Benz from 2007 to 2014. Here's some information about these models. Servicing your Mercedes-Benz CL63 is crucial to maintain its performance, reliability, and longevity. Regular maintenance and service ensure that your high-performance luxury vehicle continues to operate at its best. Here are some common service and maintenance tasks for a Mercedes-Benz CL63. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine properly lubricated. Mercedes-Benz typically recommends using high-quality synthetic oil and following the recommended oil change intervals. Tire maintenance. Regularly rotate the tires to ensure even wear and check the tire pressure. Properly inflated tires can help improve fuel efficiency and extend tire life. Brake inspection. Have the brakes inspected and serviced as needed to ensure they're in good working order. This includes checking brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids, such as engine coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended to ensure the engine breathes properly. Battery maintenance. Clean battery terminals. Check the battery's health, and replace it when it no longer holds a charge. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to ensure the engine runs smoothly. Suspension and steering inspection. Periodically inspect the suspension and steering components for wear and tear. Exhaust system inspection. Ensure the exhaust system is in good condition and doesn't have leaks. Regular cleaning. Keeping your car clean, both inside and out, can help prevent corrosion and maintain its appearance. Regular inspections. Consider having a professional mechanic perform regular inspections to catch potential issues early. Service at Mercedes-Benz dealerships. For specialized care and access to genuine Mercedes-Benz parts and trained technicians. You may choose to have your CL63 serviced at a Mercedes-Benz dealership or authorized service center. Remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific maintenance intervals and service recommendations. Additionally, it's a good idea to visit a Mercedes-Benz dealership or an authorized service center for maintenance and repairs, as they have access to the latest information, parts, and trained technicians to ensure your Mercedes-Benz CL63 receives the best care.